ScreenPad apps can be used in several different ways. It's a great way to get the best out of a smartphone using ASUS Sync. ASUS Sync integrates with smartphones so you can receive notifications, mirror the screen, and use the laptop screen and keyboard for phone-based tasks. After ASUS Sync is installed, launch the app on your laptop. If Bluetooth is turned off, you'll be asked to turn it on. Click Add a new phone in the wizard panel. If you don't have the ASUS Sync app on your smartphone yet, simply scan the QR code to download it. Once it's installed on your phone, click Pair with a PC. This will generate a pairing code for ASUS Sync. Type the pairing code into the dialog box on the laptop. Then click Next, and you'll see the Bluetooth access info for your smartphone. Tap Pair on your smartphone to complete the connection. To get started, you can mirror your phone's screen to either ScreenPad or the main screen. When your phone screen is mirrored to ScreenPad, you can use the scroll bar to browse your screen in portrait mode. You can also switch to landscape mode if you wish. ScreenPad will automatically switch to the correct mode when you rotate the smartphone. With phone mirroring, you can use the laptop keyboard to quickly type replies to texts or instant messages while you're working on the main screen. If you receive a video link in a message, you can switch the phone mirroring to the main screen. This gives you a more comfortable viewing experience on a bigger display. ZenBook Pro has a touchscreen, so you can interact via touch with your mobile games or apps using the main screen. ScreenPad also lets you interact with your games or apps using cursor controls. Phone mirroring is a great way to transfer files. Simply drop your files on the shared screen via ASUS Sync. The files will appear in the phone's file manager for easy access. ASUS Sync also displays message notifications, so you won't miss any important info while you're busy working. If you receive a message notification, it will be shown on the notification list on ScreenPad. Once you find the notification you want to see, simply tap the message to launch the mirror function to view or respond to it. You can also make calls via ASUS Sync. Simply pick up the call via ScreenPad, then you can use the laptop's microphone and speaker to communicate. Discover a world of endless possibilities with ScreenPad.